And DD News is all geared up for the direct telecast of the 69th Independence Day celebrations. DD News will also telecast a series of special programs dedicated to Independence Day. Here's a special report.
Nation and its countrymen are all set to celebrate India's 69th Independence Day, and DD News is also geared up with a series of special programs for the day. On Saturday morning, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the nation from the ramparts of historic Red Fort, DD News will carry Prime Minister's speech live, along with sign language for the hearing impaired. In the afternoon, a discussion-based youth program Gen Next focusing on Independence Day will be telecast at 1:30 p.m. Youngsters will put forth their viewpoints on what they feel about independence.
We are celebrating this Independence Day. We have to come over many things like poverty, like education system.
हमारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानी थे, उनका सपना था कि केवल देश आज़ाद ना हो बल्कि समृद्ध भी हो। तो उसमें अगर हम कुछ योगदान दे सके तो हमारी आज़ादी बहुत हमारे लिए काम आएगी।
एक युवा को इंडिया में ये फैक्टर रियलाइज है कि इसकी जो फ्रीडम है वो एट व्हाट कॉस्ट आई है और किस प्रकार से लोगों ने इसके लिए सैक्रिफाइसेस दिए थे पहले।
हम आज़ादी चाहते हैं, आज़ादी का जश्न चाहते हैं, तरक्की चाहते हैं, लेकिन सैक्रिफाइस कोई नहीं करना चाहता।
We have to study in India, live in India, then make in India.
There will be a special episode of चर्चा में लाल किला 15 अगस्त 2014 से 15 अगस्त 2015, focusing on Prime Minister's Independence Day speech. The audience-based program shall be telecast at 10 p.m. on Saturday. Then DD News will have candid conversation with former Air Chief Marshal Arjun Singh to be telecast on Sunday at 8:30 p.m. Honored with the rank of Marshal of the Indian Air Force, Arjun Singh was the Chief of Air Staff of the Indian Air Force from 1964 to 1969.
The Air Force is very important. Everything is about education and competition. At that time also you had to compete to get anywhere, even to get it.
DD News' popular program on right to information, Janne Ka Hak, will also give impetus to Independence Day. The program titled सूचना की आज़ादी, to be telecast on Saturday at 6:30 p.m. will give an insight on how RTI Act brings independence to people in real terms.
मुझे कुछ नहीं मालूम था इतना, मैं खाली अपनी स्टडी और अपने काम का तो लेके चलता है बस।
लेकिन आज आपको लगता है कि ये ताकत है?
हाँ, ये एक बहुत बड़ी ताकत है कि हर एक देश का हर एक इंसान, हर एक नागरिक आरटीआई के थ्रू बड़ी से बड़ी ताकत को हिला सकता है और बड़े से बड़े लोग आरटीआई से डरते भी हैं।
The Independence Day special episode of Mehnat Rang Laegi on Saturday is dedicated to the seasonal employment like kites making and small and medium scale businesses like khadi. Bureau Report, DD News.